What is up, guys? Irvine Garage here. We are here at Formula Drift Orlando. I haven't been here. Ooh, Supra. But we are here at Formula Drift Orlando. A bunch of people are supposed to be here. I know Adam LZ is actually in the competition, so let's head inside. See what we can do. See what we can do. See if we can get in there.
Keep going?
No, I mean there's security now. That's what last time we just walked right down in there. Yeah. You just walk all through and like doesn't matter. There's like cars driving around, there's teams and shit.
Where's the security?
There's a guy right there sitting at the gate. See that little tent to get like go through to get in there?
No one was. Oh, there is somebody standing there.
Yeah. Electric ZL1. Damn. Just a battery pack.
Raise it or burn it? Yeah, not sure. Not sure on that one.
Instant torque. No buildup. Sick. Alright, so we're in the pits now. I'm kind of happy because we went around all the way on the other side and we were trying to get in. There's just a security guard sitting there. I was like, oh, now they make it so only VIP can get into the actual event. Because I remember a few years ago, we just kind of got right in and we didn't have to pay for anything. So that's pretty nice. But we're in the pits right now. We're going to walk around and see what we can find. Fast cars, tire slayers, the dual calipers on the rear.
Yeah, I've seen that on all of these.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of essential.
Yeah.
You're spinning the wheels. It's probably like 130.
Yeah, Adam LZ said that they were doing like 129.
Yeah,
on that one curve.
What else we got? Let's go into the heat. Orlando.
Can you give me that?
Yeah.
That one?
Mercy? I can give you that one right there, yeah.
That's so nice.
Look at this.
Hey. Look, I bring her money, they change the topic. I got a 19 and it folded in my pocket. She gave me a number, now I got a thing when somebody catches them. I wanna witness a
Yeah. I don't know. Mercy's definitely my favorite, but it has to be the gated manual.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the 8 gear. Yeah. LZ. Right?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is.
Okay.
God, look at that. That's cool.
That's what I'm saying. We got to bring little vehicles.
Yeah.
Look, it's got like a little radial in the middle. That's cool.
That's so cool.
Yeah, this is Adam LZ's because I haven't seen a lot of his channel, but I did just see that.
Is that his truck?
Yeah, his truck that he put the new grill on the side, and then he did the tailgate.
We're at 450 dualies just because like I think they're the best looking dualies.
Oh, nice.
Also, this is the reworked 2nd gen 6.7, and mine is a 1st gen 6.7. A lot of people don't know that they're different, but they are almost completely different engines. It's the best diesel engine of all time, power stroke wise, in my opinion.
What was the old motor? I don't really know a lot about it, but I know my neighbor used to have an Excursion.
Yeah.
It was like a 7. What was it? The 7.3? Like whatever the motor they stopped producing.
Yeah,
the
they don't have a
7.3?
7.3, 6.0, 6.4 anymore.
Sick.
Mine is still the best.
We used He used to take it, and we were all kids, and we would sit like in the back, like with the seats folded down,
Yeah.
and he would gun it in neutral just to roll coal and throw it in drive. It was an automatic.
Wow.
And just launch it.
That's not the smartest thing I've ever heard.
It was bulletproof though. Just every time he had a problem, he would take it forward and pull his chip out, pull his shit off, and he's like, I don't know what's wrong. Slip club. That's good. Live fast, die whenever. On his dash, it says, keep it clean, you fuck. That is sick. Entire thing's gutted.
I love how they cut out. It's like not that straight.
You never find these cars with nice bodies. You see this though? It's no brackets, it's just clips. Because they're tapping walls, hitting other cars.
That's cool.
Woo, watch out. Twin turbo V10. Fat Garrett's. God damn. Look at that. See, that's what I would want in a drift car. The sequential. There's like having straight up manual.
Yeah.
That's so much nicer. See, that's the crazy thing. That's why it's smart. You see all these, all the performance people here, but then all the shops down the road, because when they're breaking shit, like I saw video I watched yesterday when they were rushing for a throttle cable and they ended up pulling it off one of the cars they brought. It's just hanging out in the pits. Look at the tires. Look at that. I mean, they have to go through like a set race.
Oh yeah.
Which is crazy. See, like these people have sponsors to the teeth. Like when you have full support staff, that's the way to go. Those are R32. The Stinger though.
Yeah, but it's
I know.
modded. Diffuser chain, side skirt, lip, carbon fiber, and it's real carbon fiber.
Let's see it. It looks fancy.
HCAS glove valves, engine intake.
Dual
Overall, I
intake.
mean, it's a great ride in this vehicle. Stock, they come about 365 horsepower. Everyone that I like walk past you is like, oh, like is that the new Range Rover? And I'm like, no, it's a new Kia.
See, but that's what they should do as a marketing campaign. Because like their initial cars are the ones that they're made fun of for, and then they should bring all the cars out and debadge the shit out of them. Just have Telluride on the front, no grill, and be like, what is this? You know?
We had a bad swap on the one we had yesterday.
Yeah.
But literally when we got back, we sold it.
Oh.
So this one is the same thing. Probably when we get back, it's gonna be gone.
Sure. $1,100 for the one in the middle.
Yeah.
So you see the ones that really?
I think they're that expensive.
No, that's kind of ridiculous.
You think that's like show price?
I don't know what that is. But that's like ridiculous. $1,000 for a seat.
I mean, I think like I'd pay like $1,000 for a set if
Maybe,
they were
yeah.
really nice.
Exactly.
But I don't know. I don't know about that. I'm gonna sit in it. Let's see. It's good. It hugs you. It's not bad. It's not comfortable, it'll hold you in your seat. Tap the wall. What are we gonna get? Drift truck. That thing is sick. Huge intercool in the back. That's kind of smart. Right hand drive. Nice. There's so much room.